What you doing?
Your face.
That's creepy. Hey guys, so we are doing something else today.
Woo!
Same day as everything else, but we're doing something else. Okay, so we are doing a science project. So this is what we got. Color changing crystals. Grow 4 crystals. We're growing four crystals.
Okay.
So we decided to do science projects here and there. So the next one I'll pick out, Brittany picked out the crystals. And so we're gonna do this. We're not sure what we're doing, so you guys are gonna come along with us. All right, because it's right over here, so. Uh-oh, what's that look for?
I can't get it out. Oh, it's taped to the box.
Interesting.
Okay.
So this is what we got.
Because
Oh, jeez. She's a child. We got goggles. We're children, man. We're so children.
Oh my god.
So we got our goggles. And what else do we got
We
here?
have 4 different
Containers. Whatever. And I'm not sure what those are for.
We have a magnifying glass.
Ooh, we're really fancy here, guys.
We have red potassium.
Interesting.
And we also have crystal powder.
There's crystal powder? Like, there's such a thing as crystal powder?
I guess so. It's really hard though. I don't know. Oh, you're gonna have to crush that. And then we have this beaker file thing and a mixer, which is a popsicle stick.
Well, it is a kid's thing.
True. I mean, look at the goggles. Your neighbors,
Yes,
right?
we're children. All right,
Okay.
so what are the directions, Brittany? The scientist, Brittany.
It says,
Brittany, the scientist. She's the scientist. I'm too close to your face. I'm like in your nostril.
it says to set up work area next to a sink so you can continuously dump excess water. Cover up your work area with protective covering like newspaper or paper towels and lay all your materials out in front of you.
All right, so should we move over to the sink over there and make some room?
Probably.
So we shifted it all to the sink. Brittany's those look really tiny on your head.
They're so tiny. Like they're about to like stab me in the eyeball.
So we got our setup here. It's all set up. The magic.
It said to cover up your work area with a protective covering, which is, I did with paper towels. It says that. It says paper towels on there, so. Okay. It says add 10 grams of crystal powder and 3 grams of red potassium hexafluoride into the beaker. Okay. It would be helpful if this wasn't in 50s. I'm guessing it's the first.
You can't guess. We gotta know this.
How am I supposed to get 3? I can't. What? What?
Okay, so what are we looking at here?
Really? Can you?
Boom! Okay. So add 10 grams of crystal powder and 3 grams of red potassium. Like, I'm gonna know anything better than you.
Yeah, it doesn't show 3 grams. Like 10 is to the first line, right? Oh wait, that's ml. That's not even grams. So this is 20 grams. Which means so like half of this
that, yeah, okay, that
would
makes
go
more sense.
in there. But then that's 9. So
And you need 3, so you gotta take
a third.
a third of it out. That's interesting.
But how do you tell? Like,
We're not very good at this, guys. How do you take
a third.
couldn't you use like cooking utensils and stuff to get it?
Do you know what the equivalent of 3 grams is?
No, I don't.
It should say on your thing though. A gram is equal to a milliliter.
So 1 milliliter, which is what this is.
No, that's 50.
Well, I know, but
The 1 would be 10, yeah. So then we just have to measure the 3, which you probably have in here.
but wouldn't you just measure it out here? I don't know. This is math. I don't do math. Why are you making me open and pleasing?
Because
You gotta
oh,
pay attention. You gotta frame me. She's new at camera. Alright, so I have it open. What am I supposed to do?
pour into the first line.
This
No, not the bottom
this
line.
one right
Yeah,
here.
that one.
So the second line.
Yeah, sorry. Did you get the big rock?
I did.
Can you take the big rock out and then
I
put
gotta
in
touch
more?
the crystal stuff though. I'm gonna die.
You're not gonna die. You just wash it off with soap and water.
Can't get it out. It's a rock.
Mhm.
I don't know if that was on camera at all.
It was.
So.
It was.
I love how you're holding it so like I'm not moving.
I know.
By the way, is this on camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
I also got my drink for a little bit, but it's fine.
Does that look good?
I don't know. I can't see the line.
I guess I should do it that way, huh?
You can probably put a little more in there. I'm gonna back up a little bit so I can kind of relax my arm instead of being right in your face.
Thanks. Get up nose with my nose. No, I'm kidding. No.
I wasn't really going to. That should... Okay.
Isn't that good?
Yeah, that's plenty. You actually didn't have to do that much.
Do I need to empty it in the bag a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
You said more, so I put
I know,
more
I
in.
didn't realize that it was gonna be that much.
Is that good? Or is that less? Too much? Alright, so we have that.
And
so
then...
now I'm gonna have you do this one.
Oh, okay.
I'll take the camera from here.
Okay, give me the dangerous chemical one.
Yep, your job.
Can't open it. Do you have scissors?
Right there.
I can't see it behind the box. Okay. You're gonna want to wash those.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to scrub them clean.
Yeah. Okay.
What's
Pour
next?
the solution in evenly. Oh wait. Ask an adult to help you heat 50 milliliters of water, then carefully pour it into the beaker of crystal powder and red potassium hexafluoride. Use your mixing stick to stir until your components dissolve. Okay, so what we're trying to do is heat up some water. So I don't know if you want to just turn on the hot water or if you actually want to heat up water.
Well, which one is best? Shouldn't we
I
be
don't know.
heating up water and not turning this on? Though this thing gets so hot, we probably could just do the water out of the faucet.
It's up to you.
See, watch. We're just gonna sit here and watch the water heat. It smokes.
Does it really?
Once it gets hot. That's hot enough, right?
Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna. Okay. 1. Oh, it's changing! As I burn myself.
This is why an adult is doing it.
I'm 30 years old. I'm an adult. I eat my chicken nuggets just like everybody else. Ah! That's so with water.
I don't know if you guys can see how hot the water is, but it's coming out of the...
Yeah. And then... $50.
Okay, now lift it up. Hold it to the camera. See, look at the colors.
It's green.
It is green. Now she's dissolving all the stuff in there.
It's kind of cool. It's like a blue-green now. Like, look at it. It's like a blue in there.
That's so cool.
Anyway. Pour solution evenly into 2 cavities.
What?
Set aside for 48 hours.
Oh, fail. We're going to be doing this in 2 segments, guys.
Sorry, I didn't read the directions. They really should warn you.
They should. But I kind of feel like growing your own crystals would take a little while.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to pour this. I tried to get it even. Did I do a good job? Does it look even?
It looks even. It looks good. You did good. You did good, my friend. What's next?
It just says, after letting your solution sit for 48 hours, take out your crystals, pour out any remaining liquid into the sink, gently dry off your crystals with a paper towel. Make a note of the color of your crystals. They should be a yellow or yellowish green before you move on. Watch your crystals change color. Place one set in a well-lit area like a window seal and place the other in the dark like a kitchen cabinet. Let your crystals sit 36 hours, then check on your crystals, see what color they turn.
So she's gonna fill out the other container here. And unfortunately, we didn't read the directions, so she will not be here tomorrow when I film the rest of this. Sad to face. So that is what's going on. So she's gonna make that, and then we'll show you where we put them, and then tomorrow I'll show you what the crystals look like. And I'm in her way, so I'll move. And then, yeah, that would be it for this video. Hey guys, so we finished making the crystal mix. There we go. And so now we have to wait 48 hours. Unfortunately, we didn't read the directions on that.
My bad.
Very well. So she's not gonna be here. So we're gonna go to the future and add in all of everything that happens in the next 48 hours. So now we're gonna go to the future. Hey guys, so it is Monday. So it's close to 48 hours after these crystals are done. So I am going to show you guys what they look like. From this angle, they look like water. So I'll show you. So these are what the crystals look like. They're hard to kind of see, but it's basically kind of like this one looks like water. This one looks like there's something in there. So we gotta, technically it says to empty the water out. So this all looks like water, like looks like there's nothing in these. So we'll see. So I'm gonna look into dumping these out. So I don't think we did this right, because I mean the water's out. So there is some stuff in here. I'm gonna try and see if I can get them out. But really, this one looks like the only one that's really made anything. But even then, I honestly don't think we did this right. So it's actually like mushy. So yeah, I don't think we did. This wasn't a successful experiment. We did something though, because it is hard. But yeah, so it's like mush, like you can see on my finger. So yeah, we didn't do this right. We did something wrong when we did our estimating, but we plan on doing more experiments in the future, so maybe we'll retry this with maybe a different one. I mean, we did, like I said, we did make like something, and so there's like something in there. It just didn't form right. Not really sure. So welcome back to the past. Weren't the crystals beautiful?
I bet they were. Unless I screwed up.
Unless she screwed up, and then we don't know. So they're beautiful.
Do you see them?
Yeah.
They're physic. It's happening. It's happening.
She got distracted. So
I might not have screwed it up.
So that is our crystal project. We are building crystals. So as you saw everything in the video, this is our closeout from the past. So if you guys like the fact that we're doing these science projects, let us know. We hope to do a couple more. We do plan on still doing our reviews and stuff, so don't worry. This is just some other stuff. So that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow this one on TikTok and Instagram. It will all be below. I don't know what she's doing.
I'm pointing to my name down below.
You're very aggressively.
Yeah, they need to follow me.
So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later with another video.
Bye.